Beautiful people, one of the most beautiful thing happened this morning to me. I wake up. It's a blessed morning. So hope you guys are staying safe and staying blessed. Guys, I want to share my breakfast with you guys this morning. I'm making some egg muff this morning, guys, with sweet potatoes. And I want to share it with you guys, let you guys see how I make my egg muff, what it looks like, what is egg muff. Alright guys, stay tuned. I got my potatoes on the stove top right now, guys, boiling. So I'm gonna show you guys the process. Alright guys, let's get the egg muff going, alright? Okay guys, got some diced tomatoes right here. And got a piece of pepper here. Dice up some green peppers. Really fine dice. Keep that aside right here. You can throw that right in with the tomatoes. Why not? One stalk of green onions, you guys. Going inside. Your breakfast is important, guys. Just want to chop it up nice and fine. So that's a nice fine dice right there. Put that right in with the tomatoes. Looking good. I'm also gonna throw in a piece of red pepper too, guys. It's breakfast time, guys. Rise and shine. Get your breakfast going. Alright guys, that's ready. Let's crack some eggs. Guess what cooking for breakfast? Some egg muff. Guys, cooking up some egg muff this morning. Crack some eggs. There we go. Alright, wash my hands, guys. Just don't go anywhere. Get all that egg off my hands. Alright guys, I'm back. Alright guys, we're gonna mix this egg, get all this stuff inside of it. People, let's get this going. All that eggs up. You can use a fork. I'm using a whisk to do this. Just making a small amount here, guys. Only have 5 eggs in here. That is ready. Take this over. Put that away. No mess. Guys, a little bit of salt. Not too much. So I'm gonna add some feta cheese to this, guys. And the feta cheese has salt, black pepper right inside. Next, All the veggies going in. Beautiful. Cheddar cheese going down. Some feta cheese, actually, guys. I'm saying cheddar cheese. I got cheddar cheese, but cheddar cheese going on top. So that's the feta inside. Mix it all up. Then I'm gonna get it right inside the muffin pan I got ready, guys. Right here, I grease this. I'm gonna distribute it right inside this pan here, guys. All right. So I'm using a ladle. I'll see how much exactly I'm gonna get, guys, out of it. All right. Looking good. It's a beautiful day. Guys, love to sing in the morning. Get the energy up, you know? Get the energy up, guys. Yeah, I think this is it. All right, perfect. So I end up with what, 6, guys? That's beautiful. So 5 eggs, but because of all the veggies and stuff, it bumped it up to 6 egg muff, guys. So these egg muff gonna go right in the oven right now. But before I get it in the oven, guys, I'm gonna top it off right now with a little bit of cheddar cheese here, guys. Put some love in it. Right there, just right on top. Right on top with the cheddar, guys. And these are beautiful egg muff, guys, for your breakfast in the morning. Guys, you want to surprise your wife. Wife, you want to surprise your husband with something different in the morning. Guys, this is a beautiful breakfast to make, all right? Okay, guys, let's get them down in the oven right now. It's hot, 350. I'm gonna get it in. So guys, right now, let's get these in the oven. The only part you guys didn't see was the sweet potatoes going inside. My camera was off, guys, and you guys didn't see the sweet potato, but I add the sweet potatoes right inside. Sorry about that, guys. Let's get them in the oven so we can have some breakfast in about 25 minutes. So guys, let's set the timer here, 25 minutes, guys. Start. My egg muff should be ready, guys. We're gonna have some breakfast. Nice cup of tea, ginger lemon. That's what I love. Stay tuned, guys. So guys, before those eggs are ready, I like to have a little bit of fruits and yogurt in the morning sometimes. Got some apples here, guys. Going right on top of my yogurt. Always got some beautiful honey here, guys. Nice bottle of honey I got up in the country area, guys. Just drizzle that right on top. Beautiful. So guys, this is gonna be my breakfast this morning with my egg muff. Alright, Guys, just going on top of my breakfast this morning. Eggs, I'm gonna get them out right now. Okay guys, these are out. Going on the plate. Got those beautiful, beautiful breakfast muff, guys. Look at that. You want to get a little bit of garnish on the plate. These are green onions, guys. I cut these, put them in cold water, and they curl nicely like this, guys. Beautiful, eh? Beauty to the eyes. So guys, shake the water off that. You could drop a piece of ice inside your water. Guys, it should come out lovely. Guys, I'm just gonna put it right on the plate like this. You guys see? Just put them like that. Just want it to look pretty. And a piece of parsley right on here. Guys, look at that. And guys, you want to get your yogurt to put beside it, you can. But I'm gonna shake a little bit of greenery over this. Make it look nice, guys. Some dry parsley I got here. It was fresh and I cut it and let it dry. Sprinkle some over the plate too, guys. Give it a nice look. Guys, presentation is the key. That's what I talk about. Presentation. Guys, that's your breakfast egg muff there, guys, with the sweet potatoes. Guys, look at that. Beauty to the eyes. Beautiful, eh? Know you guys are ready to eat. So guys, gonna have some breakfast. Don't go anywhere. I should try it. Let you guys know what it tastes like. Guys, I'm just gonna pop one right out right now, and I'm gonna dig right into it, right, and let you guys. That's how easy to come out of the pan. You just use a knife, and you guys, you just cut it right around, push to the sides like that, and it's ready to pop right out. Not that hard, guys. All right, let's get a fork. Guys, I'm just gonna cut right into this right now and try a piece of this that you guys see. Take a look. Beautiful. Let's turn the camera around. You guys can see me. All right? All right. Look at it. It's beautiful inside. Guys, good morning. The flavor is up this morning again. Flavor up. I always say flavor up, guys. You know, I turn it up maximum. All right, volume on it, guys. Wow. Guys, the sweet potato, the feta cheese, the tomatoes. Everything is popping inside, guys. This is what you call love in the morning. Beautiful. This is gonna make you sing, guys. Try it out at home, please. Wow. Wow, that's a beautiful breakfast, guys. Nice and light. And I have my yogurt here I'm gonna have, guys. It's a beautiful day, guys. This made me sing. Guys, thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe to this channel, guys. I got a lot more coming for you. Don't go anywhere, guys.